Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change mouse scroll direction on Windows 11 PC. Changing the mouse scroll direction on Windows 11 can enhance your user experience by aligning it with your personal preferences or other devices you may use. Whether you prefer the traditional down motion scrolls down or the natural scroll direction commonly found on Mac systems. Adjusting this setting is simple and straightforward. All you need to click on the start button at the taskbar and then type regedit in the search results. Click on this one registry editor entry to open this. In case, click on the yes button. After that, you need to copy and paste this one path from this one video description. After that, press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to HID key. Now minimize this one registry editor window. Now right click on this one start button and choose here device manager option. In the device manager window, expand this one mice and other pointing devices. Now right click, select and right click on the mouse entry and choose here properties option. Now switch to this one details tab and then under property click and select this one device instance path. Here you should see VID ID. In case you don't find it, just close it and choose another mouse entry and right click on it and again select here properties option. Now switch to this one details tab and again under property click the drop down menu and choose here device instance path. Now you should find this one VID ID, this one VID ID. Right click on this one entry and select here copy option. Now open a notepad file, just cancel it. It is no more required. Just open a notepad file and paste this one copied HID ID here and before slash and after slash delete everything and you will find this one VID ID. This is VID ID of my mouse in my PC. Now maximize registry editor and you need to find out this one VID ID on your PC. In my PC, this one first entry is my VID ID. You can match it with this one entry. Similarly, match in your PC. After that, double click on this one VID ID. Now again double click on this one entry. Here you will find device parameters. Double click on this one. On the opposite side, I mean on the right side, you will find flip flop wheel. This one flip flop wheel. Double click on this one entry and you need to set here value data 1. After that, click on this one OK button. Close the registry editor and restart your PC once to apply the changes. That's all about this video. Bye.